Welcome to our channel, Kids Moral Story. Have you been ever traveled in aeroplane?
Yes.
I love sitting in aeroplane, but I love sitting in window seat the most. So today we are going to tell you the story of Rudolph's aeroplane.
Look out, everyone! Rudolf Von Flugel has fallen out his aeroplane and the plane might crash on top of you.
Oh, that was a great place for his plane to land, wasn't it? But how will they ever get it down? The fire ladder is not long enough. I don't think anyone will be able to climb up that high. But there has to be some way.
Lolly and Huckle saw it all happen, and Lolly had an idea for getting the plane down. He told Huckle about it. "That's a good idea, Lolly," said Huckle. "Let's do it." First, Huckle broke a branch off a tree. Then, with a piece of string, he made a bow. He was going to shoot an arrow into the air. But where would he get the arrow? Lolly was going to be the arrow. Huckle shoot Lolly into the air. Up, up, up he went.
And landed in the cockpit of Rudolph's plane. Lolly started the motor and the plane took it off. Does Lolly know how to fly? Of course Lolly knows how to fly. But does Lolly know how to land? Of course Lolly knows how to land. Well, I suppose that's one way to land an aeroplane. Very good, Lolly. I think I need more practice, said Lolly warm. So friends, write in comments.
How do you found our story? What is the meaning of landing?
The meaning of landing is an act of bringing an aircraft or a spacecraft down to the ground after a journey. What is the meaning of crash?
The meaning of crash is an accident in which a vehicle hits driver. So friends, subscribe to our channel,
hit the notification bell
and press the like button.
Bye.